Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page. You can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is by a company called ALLWAY. They sent this over, and this is a utility knife. So everybody should have a utility knife. They're absolutely perfect for scraping off those like safety inspection stickers. If you ever have any toe stickers on your windows, they work perfect for those. Basically removing nasty stuff from glass, from tile, from metal. You can even utilize them to open boxes. So this is called the Gus, and it is the heavy duty. It's just gonna come in this package here. It is gonna come with a butterfly scraper. So you're gonna have a dull side and a sharp side. Very easy to put these in and out. So there's a little push button. You're gonna push that in, and then you're just going to slide it in to where you want it and then snap it back in place on the back side, and now it's good to go. So changing out the blade is a piece of cake. So like I said, this blade here is the butterfly blade, which is 0.24 of an inch wide, but it also does work with the 3-notch utility blade. So if you have those, that's typically what you're gonna use for opening packages, which this makes super easy for doing that. You can utilize those blades as well. And as you can see, it's nice and compact. To give you an idea of the size here, it's about 2.5 inches wide and about 1.75 inches tall. It does have some nice soft grips on the end, so depending on how you're holding it, the housing itself is all made out of a hard plastic. And like I said, the end piece is super easy to add and remove. And naturally, you don't need any tools to change out the blades, which is another nice aspect of it. But if you're looking for a great little utility knife, I think Gus here by ALLWAY is a must-have. If there's something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.